Right, let's talk sunscreen. Specifically, let's talk about Jones Road Everyday Sunscreen. I'm so excited for this. So firstly, here's the thing. So PR sent me these, but they sent them to the wrong address. So someone else got them, and they got a load of them, I believe. And then they emailed me and said, can we have them back because we sent you too many? And I was like, sure, but I never received them. So they went to this different address, and it took like 7 years for them to actually get them from that address and send them to me, by which point I'd already bought them, and then the PR ones arrived today as well. So now I've got 10, hurrah! This is new, everyone's talking about it. Okay, not everyone, but some people are, and those that are just worthwhile. Now, we all know that the single most important thing that you can do for your skin is wear bloody sunscreen. It's better than retinol, it's better than Botox, it's better than rubbing crushed pearls into your face at midnight hoping for a miracle. It's amazing. Let's just take a little look at Bobbi Brown's take on sunscreen, because this is amazing. This is a sunscreen, a mineral-based sunscreen, SPF 30 with non-nano zinc oxide, designed for everyday wear, under makeup or on its own. Now, it's hydrating, it's non-greasy, there is no white cast, and wait for it, it's clean. Yes, it's one of those. Now, texture-wise, it's creamy, not gloopy, smooth, but not silicone-y. It goes on like a moisturizer, but not a chalky nightmare like a lot of mineral sunscreens are. And look, I've got a beard, or at least a goatee, and this doesn't get stuck in it like I've dunked my chin in flour or something else, so that's a win for me. Now, of course, the million-dollar question is there a white cast? No. Plus, they've got 4 other shades. They've got a neutral and 4 other shades with a hue. So those of you who are worried about a white cast, this will counteract that. Also, this doesn't pill. Even under foundation, even under concealer, even if you layer like you're making a lasagna, this will not pill. Also, it's fragrance-free, which is an absolute blessing because I don't need my SPF smelling like a pina colada. Thanks very much. Now, you're getting that zinc oxide for broad spectrum protection here. You know what that means by now, UVA and UVB. Now look, is this gonna make you look 10 years younger overnight? No. But will it stop you looking like a leathery handbag by the time you hit 60? Yes, it will. Because this is sunscreen, and sunscreen is everything. So final verdict, Jones Road Everyday Sunscreen. I love it. I love everything so far that I have tried from Jones Road. It is hydrating, it is comfortable, it is non-greasy, it is perfect. It is glowy, but not like Korean SPF glow. It's just beautiful. Oh, and by the way, it hasn't broken me out once. And also, this is the interesting bit. When this goes on, there is a moment where it feels quite heavy, almost a touch sticky, and then poof, it disappears into the skin, and boom, it literally vanishes. It is a miracle. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.